Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, aka Big Al. I got a challenge locking device that has been seriously kicking my butt. It's called Snack Crackle Pop by Cameron Dunn, and actually I have two, maybe three of his locks that are very much like this one. Oh, let me get zoomed in a little bit. Very much like this one in the way of the keyways are very, what you call it, paracentric, very tough to navigate. I mentioned that before about navigating keyways. On a lot of locks like quick sets, even Schlags, it's very easy to get like your thicker 25 thousandths picks into the keyways. So they're essentially easier to pick because you have more selection of picks you can get in the lock. Locks like this are the flip side. You can't get a whole lot of picks in there, and the ones you can get in there are usually thin, so you're really limited. And then you take and make it into a challenge lock with bitting like that, and you got yourself a seriously tough kick-ass lock. And this one does not fall short. It does work beautifully. I have picked this thing, but they've been like marathon picks, and trying to get it on camera has been a real hoot. So let's just go ahead and dive right into this. I'm going to go with top of the keyway, and I'm going to try to go counterclockwise because that's how it picked a little easier. I wouldn't say easy, I shouldn't say easy, but I was able to open it. So let's make sure we're good on the camera, we're centered, good to go. So let's see if we can get it started. Yeah, it's a real hoot just to get in there, man. A little bit. You got to go in and kind of twist around in there, and it's really tough without oversetting the lower cut pins. It's a real treat. I think that was two, maybe. Getting counter right here. One, felt like it's set. Yeah, these things are real. A real treat, man. Yep. Oh, overset something. Let it drop. Alright, excuse me. Let me try this Praxis pick. I think this is one in 15 thousandths. Back. Oof. Overset. Felt that. treat, man. Looking for feedback, but I'm not really getting it. Nope. Let me try this SS Dev hook here. It feels like I got a decent false set, but really navigation, man. Just working that very restricted keyway. Very, very tough. Looking for feedback right now. Not really getting much. Nope. Excuse me. Not getting much of feedback. Nope. Oversetting something. That's real easy to do. Oversetting the pins up front while you're trying to get to the ones in the back. It's a real hoot. Got a nice little click up there. See if we can hang on to that. Yeah. Bummer. Not looking good for the home team. Good name for the lock. Snap, Crackle, Pop. Got that turn back. A little bit more. There we go. Boom. Badass. I am so freaking glad I got that on camera. I don't care how long it took. I am keeping it. I am keeping it. I am keeping it. Thank goodness, man. Snap, Crackle, Pop by Cameron Dunn. Got it. I got you, bud. I got you. Alright, let's tear into this thing because I don't know how long that took, but I know it took a minute. Alright, so we're finally very much open. Badass. Alright, so we got the clip on the back here. Yes, I am keeping that. I'm keeping that. Come on, baby. Come off there. Alright. There we go. Alright. Pitting tray. Let's go with the red, yeah? Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Oof. I got the good shakes on that one. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Let's get this sucker taken apart and see what kind of magic he's got inside this bad boy right here. Is this lock, man, like I said, just navigating that nasty, nasty keyway. But these are the kind of locks that I'm trying to train myself up to. Because they're tough, man. Fair to say they all needed picking? Yep. And yeah, that keyway though, real pain in the butt, man. Let's get these laid out. Freaking awesome. Awesome, awesome. So I have picked this before, and then I turned the camera on, and I'd have a hell of a time. And I'd just put it aside, move on to the next lock, and come back and open it again, turn the camera on, and get a fail. It's like, golly. Alright, get my specs on. And let's see what we got in the core. We've got threading in 2, 4, and 6. Threading in 2, 4, and 6. Well played. Well played, sir. Alright, let's get some pins out of the top. That shim out of there. And the front is not marked, but we can mark it. Alright, mark myself. Alright, let's see what we got. Looks like a little double serrated in one. I'm going to go ahead and just lay these out. We're going to get a close-up on them anyway. Looks like a long spool in number 2. Serrated in 3. Serrated in 4. It's like a spoolie serrated combobulation in 5. last but not least, looks like a serrated spoolie, I'm not sure, combobulation, and a steel spring. Badass. Freaking badass. Okay. I don't see or feel any mods up top to the Bible. I don't see or feel anything. Okay. This was Snap, Crackle, Pop by Cameron Dunn. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh. And it was all captured on camera. Alrighty. Let's swing this around here. See what we got. Good enough? Good enough. Alrighty. Badass. We've got key pins. We've got a serrated in the top of number 1, double serrated in 2. We got this T-pinned key pin in number 3, single serration on 4, large serration on 5, double serrated in 6. Drivers, we got a double serrated number 2. We've got this kind of a really cool cone-shaped spool with serrations in it. Very, very nicely done. 3 serrated, 4 serrated, 5. Again, it's kind of a reduced diameter right here with a serration on the end. And then this one here, another almost spool with a serration in the spool. And then this springs look copper, 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 steel, or whatever they're made out of, copper or brass. I don't know that stuff. Okay, again, Snap, Crackle, Pop by Cameron Dunn. Awesome, awesome lock. I'm so glad I got it on camera. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.